Come on, Sirius, don't be shy. Say hello. This is Sirius, the world's first trainable AI robotic dog. Powered by AI, it sees you, learns from you, and grows with you. The more you interact, the more it becomes your kind of companion. How does Sirius become part of your life?
Hey, Sirius.
Its nose is more than just cute. It's a smart vision sensor with real-time recognition right on board. When it recognizes you, it will be excited to greet you.
Hey, what's the weather like today? Sorry, we're not going out.
It can tell when someone's new.
Hey, don't worry, she's a friend.
Sirius isn't just playful, it's curious, independent. Sometimes, it plays on its own. Sometimes, you can share your thoughts with it, and it might just spark something new. With LLM-powered memory, the more time you share, the better it knows you. Besides autonomous interaction, Sirius gives you direct control, just like a playable character. Steer its movement, trigger custom skills, and take command. From regular pace to developer speed, Sirius adapts how fast it moves. And with smooth, omnidirectional control, it goes exactly where you want. With the mobile app, you can see the world through Sirius's eyes. Sirius has built-in rhythm generators that let it dance to the music. It can groove solo or join the party with the whole crew. Want to make Sirius truly your own? Customize everything from facial expressions and voice to gestures and full AI personalities. Use the app or web tools, no coding required. Choose from built-in personas like mischievous, obedient, or curious, or shape its behavior with your own AI prompts. Start with a preset expression from the library. Pick a lifelike skin, or go full sci-fi, or upload your own memes. Make Sirius yours. With over 100 dog-inspired actions built in, Sirius is always ready to impress. For precise animator-level control, Sirius Studio lets you fine-tune every detail frame by frame. Control RGB lights, eyelids, and pupils, customize its voice to match the vibe, or move every limb and joint, even full-body motion. Built-in kinematics keep all movements smooth and in sync. What you see is what Sirius does. Share your creations, or explore what others have made in the Sirius community. And for developers, full SDK and API access is available complete with ready-to-run Python and C sample code. Our team reimagined robotic design with full metal joints, a streamlined body, and lifelike proportions inspired by real dogs. In Sirius's compact head, we've packed stereo mics, an 8MP camera, a display, and a 5-TOPS AI chip for real-time sensing and control, all on device. Each leg uses CNC machined aluminum parts, modeled after canine anatomy for lighter weight and greater agility, all to bring Sirius to life with motion that feels real, expressive, and alive. This is Sirius. We're building robots with motion and with soul. Each one learns with you, grows with you, and truly becomes yours. At Hengbot, we believe the future of robotic companions is imagined, lived, and brought to life together. Let's raise your one-of-a-kind Sirius together.